In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit checkout page in Squarespace. To get started, log into your Squarespace site and head to your main dashboard. From there, click on Website and then click Pages. This will open the full list of pages connected to your site. If you haven't looked through this area before, this is where Squarespace organizes both your regular site pages and some built-in pages that handle important functions behind the scenes. Once you're in the Pages panel, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list. Near the bottom, you'll find a section called System Pages. Go ahead and expand that section. This is where Squarespace keeps pages like order confirmations, account-related pages, and the checkout page. Since these pages are tied to core store functionality, they're separated from the normal pages you edit every day. Inside System Pages, locate the checkout page and click on it to open the editing options. This is where you can make visual adjustments to how the checkout experience looks for your customers. It's important to know that Squarespace gives you only limited control here, which is completely normal. The platform restricts checkout customization for security and consistency, so customers have a safe and reliable experience when entering payment and shipping details. Within the checkout editor, you can adjust several design-related settings. For example, you can change the background color to better match your brand, update how your site logo appears, modify the title color, and tweak header alignments so the layout feels more polished. You can also edit the button color, which is especially useful if you want the checkout call to action to stay visually consistent with the rest of your website. As you make these changes, keep in mind that this page is meant to stay clean and simple. Since checkout is where visitors complete their purchase, clarity is more important than heavy design. Small branding updates are usually the best approach here. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save. That's it. Your checkout page will now reflect the updates you made. So as you can see, editing the checkout page in Squarespace is pretty straightforward, even though the customization options are limited. You mainly have control over styling elements rather than the full structure of the page. But for most stores, that's exactly what you need to keep the checkout experience professional and secure.